Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I'm going to show you how I did some basic maintenance, minor repair to this little 32cc McCulloch chainsaw. Pretty old, I guess. We've had it a while, tried to take care of it, kept it indoors. Main thing is pour out your old sour gas. I know I'm preaching to the choir, but you're not saving anything. It's not worth anything. That's not much. The amount is so small, but we all know bad gas gums up the carburetors, so pour that crap out and try to clean it out. If it'll run, try to start it up, get it running, pour all the gas out of the tank, and run it till it's dry and won't run anymore. It's the best thing to do to winterize it. That ethanol is crap. We all know that. Go with pure gas. It's worth every penny. Makes it last a little longer because the ethanol kills the shelf life of the gas, even just the 10%. So anyway, preaching to the choir, I'm sure. But main tool you need is a T25 Torx or star bit, and take the two screws loose off this top cover. Take the little air cleaner cover off, one screw. The choke lever just hooks onto the choke there. Take your two carburetor screws loose, and that pulls this air cleaner and foam assembly out. Then the carburetor will be loose, but try to just leave it in place unless you need some new fuel line. I had to replace the primer bulb on this one. It split like they always do after several years. This one, okay, they just snap in, right? The longer tip goes on the fuel line that just runs back down to the tank, and the short one is just goes straight to the carburetor. So I'll see if I can zoom in on this here. Bear with me. So these just snap in and out. You can use a flathead to gently pry it out and snap it back in. But yeah, the short tip fuel line goes straight to the carburetor, and then the long one just is a return back down to the tank in there. So nothing to it. If you hook it up wrong, it probably won't hurt anything. Just swap it out and put it right. What else was I gonna say? Having a brain fart here. Oh yeah, these foam air filters are bad about crumbling, so I just cut a piece of scrap foam. I don't even know where we got this stuff, but man, does it come in handy. So hang on to stuff like this. I keep it in this big Ziploc bag to try and keep it clean. But if you want to cut one for this saw, all you need is about 1.5 inches. And the thickness of this stuff was fine. It was perfect at 1 inch. So 1.5 inches by, excuse me, I told you wrong. Sorry about that, my bad. 2.5 long, or 2 3/4. You might want to go a bit longer so it'll fit snug in there. Then the thickness was standard 1 inch. Then the height, I guess, was 1.5 to 1 3/4. Should work all right, and that way it'll be a little bit snug. But nothing to it. Fits in there good. You can use some of this stuff, this spray, but this stuff's kind of pricey. I hope somebody makes a knockoff of it. But what else? I guess that's about it. I ordered 4 of these new primer bulbs off of eBay for, I think it was $6.57 total, free shipping, and it got here quick enough for me. This came from Fremont, California. I don't remember the seller's name, but anyway, 44555 South Grimmer Boulevard, Suite A, Fremont, California. If that helps anybody. But yeah, what else? I used, okay, after I ran it till it was dry and wouldn't run anymore to clean the carburetor out, I put some cheap Marvel mystery oil in there, kind of to help winterize it. Which that's nothing special. It might work as a fuel stabilizer. I don't know. I need to do some more research on it. It's cheap stuff. It's really just thin oil and mineral spirits mostly. But I'm assuming Stable brand is one of the best fuel stabilizers for making it gas last longer for the shelf life. But even the two-stroke oils say on there fuel stabilizer, even though this one in this case says fuel stabilizer. I left an I out, but yeah, it's a good idea. You got to take care of these things when you're just letting them sit. That's one of the worst things you can do with that old sour gas. So, what else? Let's see. I saved this. Bear with me. Best for last. Here's the old foam filter. And check this out. Yeah! To really put the K in quality. Made to not last. So, anyway, hope that helps somebody out, and have a good one. For extra good measure, you might want to add some good blinker fluid. That always helps stuff, especially these chainsaws. 20,000 blinks guaranteed. Maximum strength idiot formula. Give to somebody who believes everything and has absolutely no common sense. Help smooth blinking action. Keep away from the stupid. If you do not understand this, clearly you are the stupid one. First aid in case of skin contact, do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. They thankfully have some good tech support. They got a 24-hour number, 1-800-I-AM-DUMB. So, it's good stuff. I recommend it. Anyway, take care. Have a good one.